Hi everyone, today, we're going to take a look at the 5 best knife for cutting sushi rolls on the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a best knife for cutting sushi rolls. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mention in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Sushi is not just about the best cuts of raw fish and tasty rice, but the presentation also plays a major role in making the dish visually appetizing. If you try cutting a perfect homemade sushi roll with a kitchen knife, this will result in a disaster with rough edges and damaged form. However, buying a good quality sushi knife is not as easy as you think. With so many brands and different models available online, it's natural for anyone to get confused. You will need to consider a few important factors such as material quality, comfort, maintenance, and durability. Number 1. AMSC LDMGS03-7 knife for cutting sushi rolls. The technique used to manufacture this knife is apparently from Germany. Carbon material used for the blade makes for an amazing cutting experience. The knife has dimensions of 13 by 2.1 by 0.55 inches, making it beneficial and durable at the same time. The Oriental sacred wood knife provides superior grip while cutting difficult-to-cut objects like sweet potatoes and meat products. Integration of the neck with the handle is also seamless, which makes it a perfect kitchen companion in your kitchen. Since it is corrosion and stain resistant, you can find it easy to use on almost any type of material in your kitchen. The triple rivets on the handle make it nearly an integral part, avoiding any chances of the knife handle shaking throughout use. The AMSC Chef knife is also light in weight at 1.08 pounds or above 480 grams. If you wish to have a multi-purpose knife in your kitchen which is easy to handle, this would be one of your best bets. The hardness of the blade is enhanced using the best technology. What we liked. Excellent handle made of wood provides superior grip while cutting hard objects. 9-layer clad steel provides a great cutting experience. Since being lightweight, it can be used for long durations without stress on your wrists. It can serve multiple purposes like cutting, dicing, mincing, and chopping. Very sharp edges make it ideal for cutting different hard-to-cut food items in the kitchen. What we didn't like. Resharpening tools not provided by the manufacturer. A steep decline in the sharpness of the knife in a short period. Requires specific tools to resharpen the blade. Number 2. ORBLUE 8-inch knife for cutting sushi rolls. This knife has good looks and also a decent handle which will help you cut hard-to-cut items like sweet potatoes. Since it is made from high-carbon stainless steel, it is as durable as you would like a knife to be. The extremely sharp edge of the knife makes cutting easier. The thickness of the blade is just 2.5 millimeters and is handcrafted, which makes it last longer than most knives in the market. Precise cutting in a clean manner is possible with this knife. You can get maximum control while cutting since it is ergonomically designed with its handle. It is also easy to move the knife while cutting vegetables and other fruits. It is also possible to use the knife to dice, cut, mince, and slice meat apart from vegetables or fruits. This ORBLUE Chef knife has dimensions of 8 by 1.8 by 0.1 inches and weighs only 6.00 ounces or a touch over 170 grams. It also comes with a lifetime warranty, which speaks volumes of the quality. What we liked. Cut sweet potatoes and other vegetables and fruits like avocado with ease. The low weight makes it easy to handle. It has a very stylish look that makes it attractive in the kitchen. Precision cutting is possible with different items. Cutting meat is also possible with this knife. What we didn't like. It needs to be sharpened after regular use for a few weeks. The handle is flimsy and likely to come apart if you use it regularly for cutting dense products. No resharpening material is provided. Number 3. Cudlux Artpai 03-1 knife for cutting sushi rolls. The Cudlux paring knife is smaller in size but serves the purpose of cutting sweet potatoes with ease. The knife handle is made of pakka-wood, which gives a decent gripping experience when cutting through difficult-to-cut items in the kitchen. The manufacturer also provides this product with a lifetime warranty, which talks well about the quality of the knife. It has dimensions of 7.83 by 1.17 by 0.87 inches and weighs only 4.8 ounces or a little over 130 grams. Despite the size, structure, and weight, the knife performs well without putting any stress on the wrists, even with prolonged usage in the kitchen. The knife feels a little heavier for its size, but provides the user with a good weight-balance ratio while handling. The tempered stainless steel material of the blade provides good performance at the edges and retains it for an acceptable period. What we liked. It has a small stature and ergonomic design. Supreme cutting and handling even with difficult to cut objects like meat and raw sweet potatoes. No stress at all on the wrist, even when used for long periods. Compact design that is unlike its competitors in the market. High carbon stainless steel makes it rust-proof. A triple riveted handle means no shaking of the handle and blade as it merges well. What we didn't like. Handle to blade proposition is not sufficient as the handle feels too small at times. The handle is a little slippery when used with wet hands. It does not go well with cutting meat products, especially the tough parts. Number 4. Euna KTD UK knife for cutting sushi rolls. Although this product is a set of knives, it has a chef's knife and a slicer knife which are capable of cutting sweet potatoes. Both of these knives are 8 inches and serve multiple purposes for slicing, cutting, mincing, and dicing. With ease, you can use these two knives on meat, fruits, and vegetables. It operates well with a good balance between the handle and the blade. The construction of this blade is forged, which makes it sturdy and easy to use. The metal used for the blade is high-carbon stainless steel, and it is also protected against rusting and corrosion. The non-sticky property of these knives makes for easier washing or cleaning after you use them in your kitchen. The black finish makes it stylish in appearance too. Wrist tension is almost not present even when you use the knife for prolonged periods. Corrugated at the handle means easier handling and grip even while cutting tough-to-cut objects like sweet potatoes, meat, or fruits like avocado. What we liked. A corrugated handle makes gripping, cutting, and handling easier. The color of the blade makes it look stylish. Very sharp edges that would have to be handled carefully. The ergonomic design allows cutting hard to cut things easier. A good set of knives and good value for money. What we didn't like, edges of the knife go blunt too soon and require resharpening. The manufacturer provided no resharpening objects. One blade is of no use as it was too flimsy. Number 5. Basin 8 inches knife for cutting sushi rolls. The first nice thing that we noticed about this knife set is that it is dishwasher safe. Not all knife manufacturers provide you with this type of knife. We were surprised about the toughness with which the 8 inches knife came, and it barely bends or flexes while cutting. It was applicable even when we tried to cut difficult to cut objects. Sweet potatoes were easy to cut right after the package was opened. It has different knives in the set, which almost makes for a complete knife set you might want at home. Dicing, cutting, slicing, and mincing are all possible with either of the two 8-inch knives in the kit. The handle is made of plastic and provides a good grip. The stainless steel metal makes it anti-corrosive and resistant to rust or scratches. To resharpen the knife, you will have to purchase equipment provided by the manufacturer. This set makes excellent value for the money you pay. If you are looking for an affordable kitchen knife set, this can be the best option in the market. What we liked. A set of knives serves multiple purposes of cutting in the kitchen. The look of the blade makes it appealing and fashionable. Not easily bendable, making it sturdy while cutting difficult to cut objects. Extremely sharp at the edges makes cutting simpler, faster, and easier. No stress to the wrists while cutting for extended periods. What we didn't like. It is not rust resistant, as it began to rust after a few washes. The knife blade tends to go blunt within weeks of regular use. The plastic handle makes it slippery, especially when your hands are wet. Not dishwasher safe by any means. Most users are happy with the strength, durability, and lightweight of the product, which makes it perfect for delicate jobs such as cutting fine slices of raw fish, julienning vegetables, and so on. Customers are surprised to find a sharp knife so useful and versatile at this price range. A few users have mentioned that the quality of the sushi knife did not meet their expectations in terms of quality. Conclusion: if you are a beginner at sushi making or someone who loves preparing sushi and sashimi occasionally at home, this knife is a great buy. Although it cannot be compared to a professional sushi knife, it delivers good value and performance for the price.